So this is my last week with long hair. It's a pretty small ponytail, don't you think? I think so. I think it's really small. It's nothing. Oh, look at my teeth.
Hello, Shelly. This is Craig from Escape of Fame, just saying hello to you because apparently you couldn't be here for some reason or another. So this video is for you saying hello because your friend
Hi.
is a very good friend. So hello. Have a good day.
Thank you so much.